Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the metal headband for bends and rough edges so it won't snag hair. Measure your head and note pressure points. This tells you where padding matters most. Once done, fit the band gently behind your ears to find the natural resting spot. If edges pinch, stop and add soft pads now. Make sure to have pliers and a cloth ready so you can adjust with control. This first fit prevents mistakes later. Now you refine the fit by bending the metal slightly. You do small 1-2 mm tweaks so the band stays symmetric. You want the arch to match your skull, so alternate sides, bend, test, bend again. Once the shape is correct, attach adhesive or clip-on foam pads at the temples and behind the ears to distribute pressure. Make sure to test the band with your usual hairstyle, and with glasses on if you wear them so it stays comfortable during normal use. Finish by securing any sharp or loose ends with tape or a tiny screw so hair won't catch. You should break the headband in gradually. Wear it for 30 to 60 minutes a day while you adjust to the pressure. If you notice persistent pain or redness, stop and reshape the band to relieve that area or switch to a lighter alloy or a fully padded model. One troubleshooting tip: if it still pinches, add an extra pad at the exact pressure point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.